Hi everyone, welcome back. I am glad to be back doing another video. So in this video, I'm going to be doing sort of like a first impressions, some swatches, and a quick makeup look. Actually, this makeup look. And the palette that I will be working on, it's an eyeshadow palette. It's from Outfitters. And it's the Ohii Treasure palette, which is this palette here. So if you want to hear more about it and then see everything else that comes along with it, swatches, review, makeup look, stay tuned. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be talking about is this Ohii Treasure palette from Urban Outfitters. It's been out for a while already, but I came across it through Instagram. I love looking at swatches, and when I saw the swatches on this palette, I was taken. I'm like, wow, I gotta look into this palette. So all I knew was just what I saw, the pigmentation. It looked great on the swatches. And I know that Urban Outfitters had it for a while. I don't know if they still have it, but I couldn't find it. So I ended up going to my Poshmark application, and I found the palette there. So I purchased it brand new. So I wanted to do a quick review, first impressions on it, and do a quick look on it for you guys. So this is the Ohii Treasure palette. It looks simple, packaging, it's okay. It's not like, whoa. Palette doesn't have any eyeshadow names on the back, but when you open it, it's very cute. And it does have the eyeshadow names down here. And I'll give you guys a closer look because these eyeshadows are just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. So I'll do some swatches for you, and then I'll do the quick makeup look for you as well. This one. So let's start off with the first one, which is called Cardamom, which is this yellow one. And Copper. And then I believe you pronounce it Aubergine or Aubergine, one of them. And then Garnet. So that's how they look. So I'll swatch them on my fist here so you can see. Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Wow. You guys, that's beautiful. Wow, guys, look at that. Wow. And then this last one here. That's beautiful. I mean, look at the pigmentation. Wow, that's really beautiful. Okay, moving on to the next four. It's called Pomegranate, Zinnia, Petunia, Anise. So let's see, Pomegranate, Zinnia, Petunia, and Anise. Whoa. Let me just Guys, look at the pigmentation on this palette. It is beautiful. Okay, the last two is cinnamon and charcoal. So, cinnamon and charcoal. Oh, guys, look at that. Wow. Oh, that's breathtaking just to look at. Okay, swatches were beautiful. Let's see how it performs. Okay, so I'm back. I have my eyes all prepped, so I'm ready to put on the eyeshadows. So the colors I will be using are Petunia, Anise, Aubergine, Garnet. So I'm thinking that I'll put Petunia on my crease, Anise on my crease, Aubergine in my lid, and Garnet on the outer corner. Yeah. So let's start. So far, so good. Great pigmentation so far. Very easy to blend. The formula feels very soft, which is always a very good thing, because when it's soft, it's easier to blend. Then let me put in anise, which is sort of like the brick color brown on the crease as well. And I'm going to put Aubergine on the lid. Whoa. Oh wow, that color is beautiful. Definitely I can see like the duochrome in here. Beautiful. Let's see if I wet my brush with some Fix Plus from MAC and see if it'll really kick up this color. Yeah, I think so, a little bit. Looks beautiful. Guys, I'm loving this eyeshadow. Yeah, very pretty. Alright, let's go in with the darker color, Garnet, and the outer corner of the eye. Yeah, I definitely, these colors have some nice pigmentation. And it seems like you can definitely build it up if you want a darker look. Very, very nice. Going to just blend out the transition color on the top. Wow, I'm really impressed. Because it's really not one of those high-end palettes, but it's performing very well. Nice color. The colors are vibrant too. Wow, I am impressed. Yes. So I'm just going to highlight my eyebrow bone now. This is Brulee from MAC. And then I'll blend out the colors again, so there's no harsh creases. Okay, so let me finish up the look and I'll be back with a completed look. Okay, so I'm back with the completed look. Guys, I love this palette. It is beautiful. I mean, I'm kind of blown away because when I first saw that it was coming from Outfitters, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't too ecstatic about it. I wasn't thinking quality, pigmentation. I was not thinking about any of that. I think about those like for the higher end brands. That's what I expect. But I am blown away with this palette. It is beautiful. It's got great pigmentation. You got dual chromes there. You got some mattes. You got everything you need in that palette. Yes, you got everything you need. And I love how this look came out. So I hope you guys like it. Give you a closer look. Yeah, so I'm blown away, guys. I'm telling you, I'm blown away by this palette. It's beautiful. I just took a chance on it. I didn't even look up reviews. It just looked really pretty to me, and I'm like, oh, let me try it out. It wasn't that expensive either. For that reason, I didn't think quality of all of that. So yeah, if you happen to run across this and you are an eyeshadow fanatic like I am, don't pass this one by. Yeah, so I liked everything about it. So, well, this concludes the video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Thank you and have a great one.